And this is how you withdraw your money on BoomPlay. If you start getting gifts on Boom, those gifts are calculated in B stars, because those people that are gifting you, they are gifting you in B coins. The coins that they are going to buy, that they will gift you, is going to turn into B stars. Yes. So those B stars is going to be in your account. I'm going to tell you how the B stars are calculated. Yes. So that B stars is going to be in your account. They are going to give you a full week to do target. Maybe this week you decide that, oh, I want to do $100 this week, or I want to earn $200 this week, or I want to earn $500 this week. You can target yourself, and they have made it easy by building you a chart. This is the chart right here. So as you watch the chart, as you are going up and up and up, your earnings keep going higher. If you are going to hit a target, make sure you hit the target. Remember, the lowest target is 500K. Like I said, I will tell you how it's calculated in another video. So make sure you follow this page and share this video so others can be able to get it. Now, once that B stars get into your account, and on Sunday, 12 a.m., if they clear it, they are going to bring it back on Monday. They are going to calculate everything you have made and send it to your dollar salary. Then on Wednesday, you are going to withdraw your money. And this is how you withdraw your money. You can decide to withdraw your money through USDT. If you are into Bitcoin, that's a good thing. You can withdraw it through USDT and trade it so that you can get higher. If you are in Ghana, maybe mobile money, their rate is 14 cedis per dollar. On other USDT app, which is Bitcoin app, they are trading sometimes 16 cedis per dollar, sometimes 15 cedis per dollar. So you can send your money there, and then you trade it P2P and get extra money added. That one, I'm going to tell you what P2P means in another video. I'm sure somebody watching this video right now might not know what P2P is when it comes to trading. You can trade on Binance or on any trading platform when it comes to Bitcoin trading. Now, if you want to send your money to mobile money, that's good for you. You can withdraw your money in mobile money directly. It comes to your account. But there's a time frame. Once they take their money on Sunday for calculations, they bring it back on Monday, sometimes on Tuesday. Then on Wednesday, you withdraw. When you withdraw, sometimes the next day you get your money, or the day after you get your money. Trust me, I've been on this app for 2 years plus, and they have never failed. They have been delivering, giving us back to back our money. Trust me, this app is for Africans. They solely build this app for Africans. So please, let's make sure we use this app to our advantage to be able to make as much money as we can. Remember, be smart this 2025. Hustle smart, not hard. Let's make this money and let's pay some bills. I love you, and I want to bring you along on every step of the way. So don't miss out. Like this video, share this post so others can be able to get it. Don't just ignore this video. I'm not playing. I've been on this platform for a long time, so I'm not going to lie to you. As you can see my face, so I'm not a slave queen. I'm a real hustler. So if I'm telling you something, you have to listen to me and follow it to the letter. In the next video, I'll bring you more updates when it comes to earning on BoomPlay.